So I got into 3D printing for printing items for the wood shop that weren't generally available. Most of you have a 3D printer just for printing cool bits, and I like printing cool bits also. Now this is my top 10 for this month of fun things to print. These are all free files, links are in descriptions. These were all printed using my Bambu P1S, so your times and settings might change slightly different if you decide to print these. Let's get started. Now there are also lots of other flexis out there, just go and have a look. I mean, the Rexes are my absolute favourite and I print so many of them. This monster one was in fact from Thingiverse and is the one I actually use on my desk next to my computer. This was a super cool print. The tennis ball worked really well and Riker absolutely loved it, so that's his new toy. The basketball, well, not so well. Now this print was a lot of fun. A lot of plates, and then you have to glue it together bit by bit. I used some O3A super glue adhesive. I did have to paint a few bits because I didn't have all the colours available, but this is easily done just using acrylic paints, and the result was pretty good, to be honest. So of course cosplay items are very popular with 3D printing. This is from the PC game Destiny. Now first removed all the supports, you have to glue it together. I filled the seams with some milliput, sprayed it black with some black spray paint, and then I airbrushed the green glowing. Again, these things take a little bit more work, but the results speak for themselves and they are great fun to do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and look out for the next edition. Thank you very much, goodbye.